Jai Gurudev, Hari Om. Welcome to the session of Pranic Mudras. But before we proceed to the next session, let us quickly revise the Tattva Mudras. Tattva Mudras are 8 in number. The first 4 are formed by touching the thumb tip with the tips of other fingers, and the remaining 4 are formed when we fold the fingers and touch the thumb tip. So the first one is touching the thumb tip with the index finger, and this is the Jnana Mudra. Second is touch the middle finger and the thumb tip. This is the Akasha Mudra. Then is the ring finger and the thumb tip is the Prithvi Mudra, and the last one is touching the thumb and little finger. This is the Indra Mudra. Now folding fingers, Vayu Mudra, followed by Shunya Mudra, followed by Surya Mudra, and followed by Varuna Mudra. So these are the 8 Tattva Mudras, and this is the basics to understand the remaining mudras. So let us continue the session further. Thank you. Welcome to the Pranic Mudras. Let us understand the basic of Pranic Mudras. There are 5 types of prana in our body, namely the Pranavayu, Apanavayu, Samanavayu, Vyanavayu and Udanavayu. Pranavayu is from heart to our nose. Inhale and exhale by nostrils, or making food ready for digestion, converting water into blood, urine, sweat are the main functions of Pranavayu. This is related to Vayu Tattva and the Anahat Chakra. The second is Apanavayu, which travels from the navel to the legs downwards. All organs below navel, that is all genitals, reproductive organs, knee, etc., function due to Apanavayu. This is related to Prithvi Tattva and Mooladhara Chakra. Its direction is downwards. The third Vayu is Samanavayu, which travels from navel to the heart. This is responsible for digestion, distribution of all nutrients to different organs of the body are the functions of Samanavayu. This is related to Agni Tattva and Manipur Chakra. The fourth Vayu is the Vyanavayu, and it flows through the entire body. This is responsible for the blood circulation and related to Jala Tattva and Swadhisthana Chakra. The fifth Vayu is the Udana Vayu, and it travels from the throat to the top of the brain. This is related to Akash Tattva and Vishuddhi Chakra. So these are the 5 Pranavayus and accordingly 5 Prana Mudras. So it's a combination of 2 Tattvas with the Agni Tattva. So it's like 2 rivers uniting together, and therefore Pranic Mudras are more powerful than the Tattva Mudras alone. The Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra is a combination of the thumb tip plus the ring finger tip plus the little finger tip. The tattvas involved are Agni Tattva of the thumb, Prithvi Tattva of the ring finger and Jala Tattva of the little finger. The rest 2 fingers are straight. Nothing can be done without these 3 tattvas, Agni, Prithvi and Jala. So this Prana Mudra takes care of everything from heart to throat. The ring finger represents Surya, the center of Prana Shakti and vitamins, and little finger is Buddha, which represents youthfulness. So this unison of Surya and Buddha increases the Prana Shakti. There is no time limit for the practice of Prana Mudra. You can practice for as much time as you can. The benefits of Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra enhances the immune system of the body. All diseases occur due to the weak prana shakti in our body, and the practice of prana mudra increases this vital force and eliminates the weakness in the body and mind. This is very useful for eyesight or vision. This cures all sleeping disorders if done with Jnana Mudra. Blood circulation is restored and reduces fatigue, helps in paralysis and increases concentration. This is also helpful during fasting for mind and body control, beneficial for chronic illnesses like cancer or even for coma patients, diabetes, asthma, respiratory problems, and bronchitis. If Prana Mudra is practiced with Apana Mudra, it's very useful for diabetes, swine flu, dengue, and all other types of flu can be overcome by practicing Prana Mudra. This is also helpful for enhancing the speaking abilities. The next Prana Mudra is the Apana Mudra, related to Apana Vayu. Apana Mudra is a combination of the thumb tips, middle finger tip, and the ring finger tip. The tattvas involved are the Agni Tattva, Akash Tattva, and Prithvi Tattva of the ring finger. Apana Mudra is related to organs from stomach to legs. The flow of Apana Vayu is downwards from navel to legs. So all the organs from the navel to the legs are involved in Apana Mudra. Akash and Prithvi Tattva is enhanced due to the practice of Apana Mudra. Again, there is no time limit for practicing Apana Mudra, and it can be practiced for longer durations also. The benefits of Apana Mudra. Apana Mudra is the detox mudra. It cleanses the entire body and makes it pure. All stomach organs are stimulated. This cures vomiting, diarrhea, dysentery, palpitation, helps body sweat more and remove toxins. This also helps in curing high blood pressure, liver, toothache, gums, urinary problems, kidney, constipation, fistula, piles, colitis. This also helps in the normal delivery for a pregnant lady if practiced in 9th month. Do not do this mudra for the first 8 months. I again repeat, this mudra helps in the normal delivery for a pregnant lady if practiced in the 9th month. Do not do for the first 8 months. This also stops pain in the menstrual cycle. For diabetes, practice 15 minutes Prana Mudra plus 15 minutes Apana Mudra daily. Vomiting feeling during the bus travel can also be overcome by the practice of Apana Mudra. This helps in curing ulcers, infertility, pilia, asthma, and hormonal imbalance. This is also helpful for meditation and spirituality if practiced with Prana Mudra. Apana Mudra is related to Swadhisthana and Muladhara chakras, and they are stimulated due to the daily practice of Apana Mudra. The next mudra is Vyana Mudra. The thumb tip plus the index finger tip and the middle finger tip. The tattvas involved are Agni Tattva of the thumb, Vayu Tattva of index finger, and Akash Tattva of the middle finger. Vyana Vayu flows throughout the body. This is related to the Swadhisthana chakra, and this can be practiced for 45 minutes daily. The benefits of Vyana Mudra. Practice of Vyana Mudra cures blood pressure both high and low if practiced 30 minutes in the morning and evening every day. This also helps cure heart diseases, beneficial in all diseases related to blood circulation. The balance of Vata, Kapha, and Pitta is maintained. Balance of Vayu, Akash, and Agni Tattva is maintained. An energetic feeling is restored in the body by the practice of Vyana Mudra. This is Meow Mudra. Bend middle and ring finger and keep the other three fingers straight. Rest your palms on your knees facing upwards. Practice this mudra 30 minutes once a day or 10 minutes 3 times a day. This helps in regulating low and high blood pressure. Udana Mudra. Join the tips of thumb, index finger, middle finger and the ring finger and keep the little finger straight. The tattvas involved are the Agni Tattva, Vayu Tattva, Akash Tattva and Prithvi Tattva. Udana Vayu is related from throat to the brain. So this has a relation with Vishuddhi Chakra, that is the throat area, and 15 minutes each 3 times a day Udana Mudra can be practiced. The benefits of Udana Mudra. This cures all diseases related to thyroid, stimulates brain and mind, enhances memory and understanding capabilities, peace of mind and control over mind is restored due to the practice of Udana Mudra. Control over mind. Hold your thumb in the fist of other hand and rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise for 10 to 15 times. And repeat this with both the thumbs. This effectively helps in curing thyroid problems. Practice with both hands twice a day. Mukula Mudra. All the fingertips together. It's a simple mudra. Touch all the fingertips together. So all the tattvas are involved and all the tattvas are in equilibrium. Agni, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi and Jal. Apply this position on the affected part of your body and gently massage. Whichever part of your body is paining, keep this mudra on that part and gently massage it. For stomach problems, put on navel and move in increasing circular motions gently. That is, make a small circle and gradually make bigger and bigger circles. This is not to be done for longer durations. 5 minutes each 5 times a day is the duration for this mudra. The benefits of Mukula Mudra. This mudra acts like a laser beam and gives energy to the affected part of the body as all the tattvas are together. All the tattvas try to establish an equilibrium. This helps in synchronizing our thoughts and actions and enhances willpower. This helps in digestion, stimulates Ajna Chakra and activates pituitary glands. Also stimulates Shukra Graha to give prosperity and a feeling of happiness. This is also helpful for kidney problems, and practice it by placing both hands on the kidneys. Place this position at the point of the pain. Useful for people in politics as it increases the diplomatic thinking power as per the research of some people. So this is the Mukula Mudra. So these are the pranic mudras. The combination of tattva mudras together are the pranic mudras.